Afternoon friends, Russell here, coming to you from the shop. What we got going on today is I've got to take the instrument cluster out of this 2001 Audi TT. Not a hard job to do. The pixels in the center of the cluster have gone bad. We're going to send it off for repair. So I'm going to show y'all how to take this out and kind of talk y'all through it if anybody else needs to do this. So here we go. First thing you've got to do is pull the side panel off, and there's two screws got to come out, and they are Torx bit screws. That one too. So essentially, to get this cluster out, is you've got to drop the knee board, and then there's two screws back here, and then the whole thing will come out. So I've got to go underneath here and pull some screws so we can drop this knee board. And everything on this dash is a Torx bit. Why are you being so cantankerous? I don't remember. Yeah, it's got to come out too. Once that knee board's out of the way, it's just two little Torx screws on the bottom of the cluster on either side of the steering wheel. And then it kind of swinging out from the bottom. And there's two metal clips retention clips. Just kind of reach through with your fingers and get them to clear the edge of the dash. Once you've got it out, you just disconnect the connectors on the back. And if you've done any work on these Audis and Volkswagens before, you recognize this connector type. Little and you can see it. It's got a little lock tab you push in, and then like on this one you pull up the purple, it pulls out. There's the cluster. We'll send this off to I think we're using Best Pixel Repair for these. We'll send this off and have it rebuilt, and we'll get it back in about a week and put it in. So if you've got a Audi TT or even an Audi A4 and the pixels in the center here are gone where you can't read it, it's not hard to pull one out, send it off. Best Pixel Repair is usually who we use, and for usually less than $200, shipping included, return, and we get it fixed. So that's all there is to it. If y'all like this content, go ahead and hit like, hit subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications, and as always, there's more to follow.